Did you know that your cat doesn't actually see you as their owner, but simply as a large, unskilled cat? We often think their meows and leg rubbing are signs of affection or dependency, like a child with a parent. We assume they've become as domesticated as dogs. But here's the shocker. Scientists found that cats haven't changed their wild instincts one bit, even after thousands of years of living with us. Cats only meow to talk to humans, and those gifts like birds or lizards, they're not presents. They're worried you'll starve because you're such a bad hunter. In their eyes, you are the pet,